Oh, feels like a pretty decent one right here, fellas. Good God. Finally got one to bite. If I can get it in the boat, it looks like it's barely. Get in the boat. Ah. Man, look at that one. It's full of them. I'm under Centennial Bridge, and there's a huge school, just like it was Wednesday. But man, I can't get them to eat nothing. I had one bite on a spinnerbait and I missed it, and that's the second bite. I mean, there's so much bait under this bridge, man. You'd think they'd be loaded. Oh, feels like a pretty decent one right here, fellas. So I'm headed back to the Centennial Bridge. I thought I would throw a DT6 as I was headed that way, and I caught one. Actually, I got one to bite now, so get him in the boat before I say I caught him. Aye, come on back, come on back, come on back, come on back. Don't be a butt. So I guess I'm see the Centennial Bridge there. I was pulling back up onto the bridge. I'm gonna have to get the pliers on this guy. I was pulling back up onto the Centennial Bridge here, and you know, a good cast away from it, and thought I would see if I could see anything out here guarding the mouth of that DT6. All right, guys, I am wrapping up my day. It has definitely been a struggle today. The bad part is the fish are where they're at. I mean, sorry, the shad are the same place they were this whole week, but I can't get them to eat anything. I caught two. I'll show them to you here in a second, but I'm wrapping up my day. I'm wrapping up my week. I have been on FTO, or fishing time off, all week. I don't want to go back to work tomorrow, but gotta pay for this boat. So appreciate you hanging with me. I'm going to show you the two I got, and then I'm gonna get out of here. All right, so I got a 114, 2.5. Struggle has been real, for real, for real.